How to set up Bitstamp account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can set up Bitstamp account. In order to set up a Bitstamp account, all you need to do is follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, you'll have to go ahead and download it from your Play Store. So open up a Play Store and then on the search box type in Bitstamp. So click the install button next to it, and after that wait for the application to be installed. Now in my case, I'm using a web browser, so I'm just going to open up a browser, and then on the web address bar I'm going to type in bitstamp.com. Now that's going to direct you to their official web page, which is going to look something like this. To begin with, go ahead and tap on get started button. That's going to direct you to the page where you can begin with the creation of your account. Now go ahead and enter in your first name, last name, your email address, and click the continue button. Now provide in your country of your resident and click the continue button by tapping on the agree button. That's going to direct you to the other web page where it's going to ask you to confirm your identity by providing your document ID and all sort of details. Once you've done that, verify your account by entering the code that will be sent through an SMS or an email address, and go through the additional information, and then you successfully set up your Bitstamp account. So in that way you can set up a Bitstamp account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.